Is it raining? Oh, it's just rain. It's just the rain. Does anybody else's dog act like a complete buffoon when there's bad weather? Oh no. The power might go out. What are we gonna do? What's going on? What? What? What you trying to tell me, Lassie? What you trying to... Why am I getting your butt? What you trying to tell me, Lassie? Is bad weather here? Oh. Oh, no. Is it bad weather? Tell me about it. Is it tornadoes? Is it bad weather? Oh, no. Jolie, what you doing? It's tornado weather. Get back in here. Come on. Get back in here. Woo. It's just rain, Jolie. Now that the rain's over, it's nap time. Subscribe now to see more adventures with Jolie.